Hi guys, you're going to be seeing me tell you all about the palm today, so stay tuned for some deep breaths and a mudra to help bring balance, concentration and increase intuition. So first of all, the palm. We've looked at all the other elements and the mudras in those fingers, and now the palm that actually controls all of those elements. And the palm relates to the third eye, in Sanskrit called ajna, which is the third eye that is all to do with concentration, intuition and mentality, intelligence, knowing and insight. And how wonderful to be able to tune into that part of you. We all have a really strong intuition, and it's just whether we are listening, whether we are noticing, and sometimes that requires us to try and focus and be present. So I'm going to show you how to do that really easily. So what the Sanskrit word for the palm and consciousness is chitta. C-H-I-T-T-A, chitta. And when we're concentrated on our chitta, we are in tune with our consciousness, which also helps us develop our intelligence, be in tune with our emotions, our thoughts, our dreams, and even our memories. It definitely helps us to develop our memory, to be able to recall names, faces. When we have that idea, we've got something on the tip of our tongue, then tune into your palms. Sometimes when we're really happy, we're tuning into the joy that the palm, which is the mind, can bring us. And we like to clap our hands together. Now, that's in a state of utmost joy when you're so happy that you clap your hands, and that's a wonderful mudra to exercise. And I like to think of a picture of a lake, and when that lake has waves, sometimes those waves are gradual and gentle, sometimes those waves may be turbulent and forceful, and that's like our mind. And sometimes it's nice to be able to control the mind and calm it down. And by doing that, we are then balancing the left and the right side of our brain. So the left side of our brain controls the right side of our body, and that is the logical, methodical thinking. The right side of the brain controls the left side of the body, which is all about the intuition, creativity, imagination side of our body, the artists of us and the musicians and the spontaneity and imagination. So when we bring left and right palms together, we are balancing both sides of our brains, and they're talking to each other. And maybe we are more inclined one way than another, but actually it doesn't matter. We can bring them together and allow them to talk to each other. It's just starting to rain here. It's quite nice being out in the rain. And so we can do this, which we all are familiar with. It is the prayer mudra. It is actually called the Namaskar mudra, where we bring palms together and we can hold them at our chest, maybe with our elbows up, as an exercise to tune in those palms to each other. And what that mudra tells you and another person, if you greet someone in this manner, is my essence meets your essence. And how wonderful to offer that symbol to someone else when you meet them, because that is all there is, that we can greet each other with our essence. And you are telling that person, I have respect for you, I have love for you from my heart. So thank you for joining me. Would you like to take 3 deep breaths with me now in the rain? So nice, 3 nice long breaths. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and see you next week as a review for all of the elements we've looked at so far, including the palm.